Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Lenovo Legion. So in order to do that, you will need to open your Google Play Store and start searching for an app. And here you will need to write Microsoft Edge and hit the search button. From here find the app that looks like this and select install. After installation process is done, we can open the app, and from here we can already customize it. For example, right now I can add an account to sync my other devices with this one. I'm not gonna do that. You can by pressing sign in to the sync or just add account right here. I'm gonna do it later. From here you can or not just hit this OK button here to allow the data sharing preferences in order to improve the Microsoft etc. So just press confirm, and you can set your Microsoft Edge as a default browser if you prefer. I'm just gonna do that, and here we have default apps. So right now for the browser it's Chrome. Click on the browser, select Edge, go back, and we have our Edge browser. We can go to any website. Everything should work properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.